Top 5 High-Paying Affiliate Programs for Beginners. 1. Fiverr. You may promote the largest online marketplace for services by joining the Fiverr affiliate program. There are several alternatives, ranging from writing and graphic design to programming, WordPress employment, and business services. Additionally, after promoting these services, affiliates can make up to $150 CPA for each new customer or up to $1,000 per sale using their hybrid model of $10 CPA/10% rev share. Service prices can reach $10,000. Additionally, they give affiliates the option to directly advertise specific gigs on their blog posts using Fiverr Gig Ads. Overall, Fiverr is my top pick for the finest affiliate network because it offers more than 250 categories and more than 3 million digital services that you may advertise. 2. Tailor Brands. Those that need to swiftly begin a business while making sure their brand looks excellent rely on Tailor Brands. Success depends on having a high-quality logo, and Tailor Brands provides a variety of logo design alternatives for companies of all sizes. Their AI platform can assist companies with everything they need to start up, including publishing digital business cards and social media material. They may aid companies in creating an LLC to make sure they are adhering to the correct legal procedures for their line of business. Depending on what you advertise, there are 3 ways to start making money with affiliate marketing: their one-stop store, their LLC services, and their logo maker. This implies that you can tailor your messaging based on your target audience and what you believe will most appeal to them. For each referral you make, you might receive up to $500. Additionally, they offer qualified assistance to get you going and respond to any queries you may have. 3. Thinkific. My preferred online course platform is Thinkific, and they give their affiliate partners recurring commissions of 30%. Their conversion rates have increased because they are a well-known, expanding business in the industry. This platform is unquestionably well taken into consideration, regardless of your level of experience with online learning. Online courses differ from conventional learning formats in that they can be delivered in a format that is convenient for the learner and are their own. I believe that Thinkific, more than any other tool I have used, makes this process easier. Additionally, they have a fantastic affiliate program that allows you to make money by marketing their website. Each year, you can make up to $1,700 each recommendation. 4. Bluehost. As a web hosting business, Bluehost's affiliate program is incredibly well liked. The cost barrier is low, and the commissions are large, with their program starting at $2.95 per month and one-time payouts at $65 plus. They are thus one of the practical ways for affiliate bloggers seeking to generate money online. You receive credit for recommendations up to 45 days after the initial click if you sign up for their program. You must have at least $100 available to release your payment, which is made between the 16th and the last day of each month. You can benefit from great conversion rates and quick assistance from text links and advertisements by marketing Bluehost. They are my #1 choice for affiliate managers since they offer great customer service. 5. Hostinger. Hostinger is another popular web hosting platform that can offer affiliates up to $150 per sale on a tiered pricing structure. Their affiliate partner program offers a base payout of around $60, with the opportunity to make up to $150. And since their small business and WordPress hosting plans tend to always have a 90% discount, they have strong conversion rates. Like many other web hosts, they provide banners and promotional tools to help new affiliates get started.